other activity other than sporting activities until such time that we can hold claim to pitch covers. That it is no news when we go to other countries. Even Wembley is given out for concert, but they ensure that they protect the pitch, with pitch covers. So as a country, I've had discussion with our Minister of Finance through our sector minister to see how urgently they can help, because we are also mandated to generate revenue, and our gate proceeds are insufficient to mandate us to fulfill that requirement put to us by you honorable members of parliament.
Enti eno ye se pawo mun komo DNS o chem se enya de ne manimi ya no mbepene so ama ye use ye national sports stadium hodo no for any other event but for sports nko na eno no sanso di nkomo se de course wo Kumasi a ende akofa nsem bebredi aba no se ye this stadium no emma eye asori for ma omaye a 5-day crusade wo so na asay pitch no wa bra Ghana ni Angola boy na amanye o mentwe ye no wo mo ede eye the Ashanti Regional Sports Development Officer Ora Kwame Bamensa enso afa disciplinary process mu a omoguso omototona no na omowi a they will take the necessary action na esese omo take enso edit opinion yentie set panwom NSA board chair on this one.
I can assure you that on this call we are doing so well to make sure that what happened before doesn't happen again, and the officer is also undergoing disciplinary measures. The officer who gave the facility out and failed to recover the pitch ahead of the game is also undergoing disciplinary measures at the authority as we speak.
I know you said Pawum Komodi when after say Enra Hokopiemu ewa the parliamentary select on sport. Wamo inkitan udia wamo koswa any connoisseurs of the game ne enyani inane se wamo air try se ombetmenya anuye to issues edi agudi enya na afe no ombetimi CC wamo den hihye de ababetudwa ebema neoma enso etimi akonkan na dwumedie na ase ana Enra former Ghana captain Stephen Apia enso kopiemu ase a tornado eden semba kumienu miensa etudwa mu se ndey nyoma ekoso ya agudiem no ono obetimi aka se ebi entweye ebi etweye na de entweye no mu se eye niwo ya asefem se Ghana ye juvenile teams no womo entimi qualify crown fan ko etise bi under 17 womo ntimi qualify ko under 17 AFCON under 17 World Cup so no sa no ema eye eguye ni mas because emre bi atwem no na ye no na Ghana ye ni enti endesa side ya ye ma ye ni embre ewo identifying talent eno ye scouting no na face kwa ye befa so a ye betimi ehu nkoda na ina ya koma bom ma omesi akan ma Ghana enso ya ntoma pa enso efra yentie Steven Tornado Apia.
And today we can't qualify to play the under 17 World Cup major tournament. We are not part of it, and we have talents all around. Today, if we said let's go to Kaukudi, even gutter to gutter, 4 players are playing. You will see 2 talents there. So we have to even set, as they said, we have to even set some people to go out there to set for talent.
Enti ene Stephen Apia nkomo DNHM se talent ne de ebuso e wo se ye me ni breye invest na ye hwe kwan me e befa so ye benya talent no mama besi akan enso de amaga no to aso bi on di nkomo chem se ye local league no so e ade aba form na ba aba form ni na no de di mu ntintima e yesikasem se yesikasem no ekonanimu a Emma players no empre so mbe free Ghana ha no makwesi akan wo countries be the set Tanzania see emmom no Tanzania players no mom na wo san kombebo Ghana na nya Ghana players and omokoko countries be the set Tanzania nti sika na se sika babo ni mu a ebeboa amanyoma enso etimi akwa yenti Steven Apia on yenti ama a local game no enso aba form.
We have to give the local players, we have to give them the chance and confidence to play for the national team. Tanzania, it's a shame. They should rather come here. We have our players now going to Sudan. When we played against Niger, the number 7 who was the best player on the pitch, who played for Niger, is a Ghanaian. We have a striker who won the Goal King in Ghana Premier League because he didn't get the chance. Now he's playing for Togo. So we have to give our boys, we have to give them the chance. And because today our league is not attractive, that's why they are running and going to other other countries. Why? Because some of the boys are earning 300 cedis. They are earning 500 cedis. And at times they have to go beyond 5 months. They have children. They have to take care of home. They have to pay their bills. So somebody will come and say, okay, I'll give you $800. They will go. That's why today we even opened a free gate, Kotoko against Accra Suffolk, empty stadium.
Interior Stephen Appian come here on your local league in Okwan Befaswa, a bet me abwa na ya kebe player exodus. Also the tuja say yamma kwenyanum fama local players no muntiminsi akan and fama a senior national team. I said ye here say yabema more confidence ni nya gide wo mumu say kakra akoko benu munsio ama bibia enso etimi akwa enti we appear on say yamma local players no emre no muso embassy akan e national team's name.
We have to give the local players, we have to give them the chance and confidence to play for the national team. So in our time, even there are certain players that looks as if they are key players in the team. We were not key players. We have players like William Theo and the rest who were pushing us. So we too have to make sure that we are not going to allow them to take our positions. For example, when we went to the World Cup 2006, Osei was a top defender. After the game against Germany, after the game against Italy, the second game against Czech Republic, it was Chile Alias who was playing for Kotoko. He came in and he stamped the position.
Enti apia nkoma odi eno say ma local players ne so akonya na omuntimi ensiaka na nkoma ni mu no ana Derek Boateng so ye former Ghana player ono so ede nanu atum na we no kasa e wodwumedie bi ase a na omode commemorate the 25 years anniversary of the Right to Dream Academy no ana Derek Boateng dia to ya say e was say efe no wo makeka o na sisi dia so omada nyoma bibiri na say na ye pictures kra enkoyie no e was anka efe no fa edisi ne ho so say obetimi ahwe no wasiesie ama nyoma enso etimi akoye Derek Boateng komono say na osi edino.
The FA need to wake up and do something because this is their job, to make sure that all the fields are good for the players to play. The only thing they care about, for me, I'll say it and say it every single day, is money. We have players come playing in Europe in a good field. They'll come and play in the pitch, and you expect them to perform well, and you expect them to win games.
Derek Boateng komono no na FA nenkikan ho na Emmanuel enso entimi enkoye yemfrio na yenko the Ghana Football Association aso ya omode aba betudwa say the much awaited GFA Football Awards no afedie abrewa epuma okwemu a Saturday the 19th of October and ajumedie no beba so the Dr. Kofi Ohene Konedu Auditorium UPSA in Crime into way GFA Football Awards and baswa wamo hwe no reward the excellence we no ebefi juvenile football the akwako PM and so professional level na jumedie no 19th October and beba so club news kakra ni na say Asante Kotoko Eko boy Boase last week Sunday na the first home game or game no ana omoku etipenkon 1-1 against Young Apostles na nkomodo do na no ana Efri Muaba Enra shooter jumedie ne so no yepuso ahoma edeko former Kotoko player wono legend mapa edema Kotoko ana face the Black Stars of Ghana and Samuel Opoku Nti the Lord of the Green Turf amodin samba kumienu miensa enso etudwa Opoku Nti common or chem se Kotoko team ne de eya ne sa de ohu ye no ade so ni nammom e wase nyoma bi esesa de dikan okasa ese Kotoko omo hia a clinical finisher to make omo project no complete.
A very clear say Kotoko lake finisher, clinical finisher Kotoko lake. Yen hia striker 2 chances no ase 1 goal. And now 2 ni nyina kra no ase 2 goals ni nyina. Yen hia that kind of striker no. To say onya kukofu onya favor so onya kukofu.
Entani Opoku Nti komo diniti awa edefa Kotoko enya clinical striker ho na de atoso mienu osansi de tudwa se team ne de credit be ma say ball no boy against Young Apostles no na ade a eso ani de wehu no nyoma betimi akonkan na ade ba ko obepe se omo betimi asesa no players no omo conditioning kwan ye be fast o menya stamina and fitness a o betimi overwork omo opponent Opoku Nti komo no say na osi hremu fai
memo omo credit say isi omo nche omo ehu omo nche but na game no is like omo ni mo ho ade a metimi aka say a touch ma if I have the opportunity to advise say condition has to come in. Difference between time no way no condition was sort of we train very, very hard, even as individual, because everyone wants to fight for a position.
Opokunti and commonality away about 4 time everybody aka and so Ediama Shannon so now watching a match week 4 of the Ghana Premier League because I know Anna Kotoko Airco Brekum Omone Brekum Chelsea Anna Airco Kobo player Edema Brekum Chelsea Emmanuel Sapon wedding come on Ediafa game no change say time normally shako the kwane dia yepa because game no ebeye den Ediama Kodoko Chelsea team no omo hu difference bia womti womo ensuro ni na sakodoko team na fe no mo hyehyɛ no mo de be hia Chelsea a wo mo so bet check kodoko for no bosomia yedua mu ebro yentie Emmanuel Sapon
afi na the under also omo build a new team. I think say half of the players go and omo add up yenso na I think say 3 players pay free mu yeah your ball last year no e na your honti question no tarepati bi understanding no ho because a new team a wo hyehyɛ de afi na the understanding afi na omo beti omo ho ase what you say ba ye na yabo ye ho ache a free move amankuna move oni baby ode ball neto obia move obia nim because ya boy ho ache nti meka ne say enya de a ebe too difficult ya de a ye dada
enti eno ye Emmanuel Sapon nkomo die national so the Women's Premier Super Cup ensu gusu ekoso ewo the Ghana Man Soccer Center of Excellence eno ewo pram mo we group stages no enti group A ya de ye nya teams o ma qualifier o mo de ko manim Emmanuel matimi akọ enti mo ma me group A table no enti group A table osha clearly Hazakes ladies and the Faith ladies no ma qualify 9 points in Hazakes nyaya a perfect record 3 wins out of 3 games and a Faith ladies at Twaswa almost enya 6 points in group B and also enya Ampem Dakwa almost enya 9 points out of an available 9 and a Dreams ladies and so etosumi no omunya 6 points they say ne here Ampem Dakwa ebeshia Faith ladies na Dreams ladies and so Asia Hazakes ladies ya about 4 timer the akano ye the ebe bremena so ye kwa manane ni akohwe de ekoso na enra na Chelsea mu ade o ana wo kan say na man you de ne be kan say
omo ye adwuma ho omo ye de process coach
na wo coach wo be hwe ma ye training no odina training grounds na wo use skills
there be say
den
na tenag adwuma no listen about me ba obae no waje trophies too true or false unyima no man no see
and obi coach
man make me point you coach ni say adwuma no ye process and a process no so moment no mugu so mo
Idea says and Robbie Betro BB say Man United are not ready for any cup including a cup of tea.
Oh, okay. What bread?
Lord of mercy. Team Pioneer. Chelsea FC 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, FC 20. Ultimate channel.
See.
And I'm on there.
What can we see? Nigerian in the boy and swasam. They say the issue about Bimu Fu say one Shabema La Liga for na force. On say born no bono. And yet Sebi asofo adwuma born a mafia for adwuma untimi nya born
back away is in check
I say waka asem ni pain from enrade bana is akwa hu pa
and I was in the president they say
say born in Spanish and
that's okay le English na say uche no metete no Spain wa I have buffer matete no wa
oh yes ha adwen ba
ma so on Spanish na say the kind na e
say adene si wo referee nim kra referee
and a question omo bisa in Spanish
there be say
bro na no kan
omo bisa Spanish and obi translate now the what now waka call on Nigeria for so my life sit Nigeria no oni udidwa one Ghana no dey ato so adene fa so no okọ
exactly
ba ukrom ni ne be so onya 1 million e wa adene so sana Nigeria for no my life pim no okọ no baby
but a big issue big issue
and when you remember don't say
also we tuntuma out of man na refi na catch us sorry now
so some go for catch o aden shadanche mo mfa ncheme negro
na say o tuntum
nipa
tuntum sorry
so efu ade nyina amaw you try refi say sorry brama na hold in tuntum Won't tea and no other chess story at DBO and an open Media. Your fan said tip of your room as our man and Nina Quatana. One of I am made for that Mabo fan say a taffy and some I was spent out Quatana and run you and I have a chance or Coco Grant interview or no and some other chess ESPN Africa and I quote as Romo Kobusa Quatana. Your fan is Ucha Crestantos Asanya Biala Liga no one of some owners and watch a Banasania. Ya can so official some more official to Media and some across all La Liga no send no more Esitia Uche and your Uche say what did you about the reference of La Liga no woman I am very bad Amatompano and some our from a there was this a born El Cosnia Trebia Chana Yonku Bronia once a reference pay at Deno and some I have foul arches a bimo et me my yellow card and my red card in animum one on Sabu or tuntum arches one I have been our BM so I not Juania Catano Yabachana says say referee Emma Bay referee and your foul Omuchana referee sorry Koso Bo arches a play on and no Elcos ABM and some I said Drew baby at dinner crano et me see our referee and him what to see a channel Palma Canamo top from references still play on arches and some Anyoma and Chaya ABM and say supporters let me catch us I won't sabi we are the patuntum and to Oya Day one Savata Sabi Ababo Amasana Manino referee and Yashem Fanfao Ebi Aisuat be Arsan Sabi Negro Ebimo and some Matmus F4 at the mano now so never costing a reference no Omubu money and some other goose Ayanyoma and can be Anamanium Sunkoye and some from La Liga no Yentia Sama Quatana Yafansa Crestantos Uche and some other man central for Enra.
Cheese or 3 matches in La Liga. I saw it with my eyes. The referees, they are so bad. They are so bad. They will kick me. The referee will just say I should stand up. No. It's far. You have to blow it. But if they kick another person, the referee will just blow it. And it's so painful. It's so painful. And you cannot do anything. And you don't have any power. Because the referee has power to do anything he wants to do. No. He has to stop it. Me, I will fall down. They will kick me and I will fall down in the front of the referee. And the referee will not do anything. No. It's not good. Both the fans, some of the fans, you will be hailing you, negro, you and this, that. No, it's not good. It's not good.
Ain't baby, I would say be a sound ABP, a honor not just N word and a fay. Make us effort in a share a match as Alcatano and some that is 7 o'clock to and run you men. No, and I just am not Junior Bobo Craft fan say your Tanfe. One so president, your friend Angel Torres, Ora, your friend Angel Torres, Omukobusa, so what ya Samana, Wakudan Akan also Alcadano. I am on some trophy for our so born in the album at there. Was say of fools are born on Spanish. Now, so many could I care Spanish no Candia. Well, Cambro for now, so run about what Chasa, Akudanam 90 a year Spain, Omocasano, a Tumukobusan, Amakudana, Toto Bomba, report to me, second Sakutano, a young competition committee, and some Mabet me out front of our bronze or Bano Betum, when you send me on Swan Kawa charges, no, one some not about Bonnet our Bromity about Sunday, one was a good a league no fee. Now, Dominions your clubs will be and some Nova Spain. I almost Ebima let you conum and some other chess and clubs be on my committee about Sunday. I am Mancheta, Yanje, Ebi, I am Bonsa, Yanje, Amasani Manino, Womufusa Summer, Ebian also be used to a free Eddie Canano, and I just Acotano, and some other Daco Edia Kama, one something Nano, yet the Emia for Anano pay, and some our Shonos Enra, one matches about Suram, our Yakanasa earphone Enra, Arsenal almost have 5-1, and some other Bottom Wanderers and some game about Enra player. Your father said Declan Rice, a fay, a son in one area on about second goal, as about 10 go Emma Timino, Raheem Sterling about Enrona Harvard, and some other about Esos our bra, Aaron Collins, and a take Carabao, and some other about Carolina supportina, and them update about highlighting in Nabino, Shaq and some other about Fay, make us a Timber for the selling for Enra, woman some Usher 5-1, and some other West Ham Enrano, I Jaro Kwanza, Ebo goal on goal. Abua West Ham. I want Liverpool for say. Muso Munyana Jabe Ayamodia Diogo Shota. One of restore parity. Adama Tima. Your fan say Liverpool Afei was about second goal. Adama Timono. Mohamed Salah Eshebe. Kwadi Gagbo. And some 2 goals also Enra. Wamusam Nasha 5-1. And some Natia West Ham Jubabino. West Ham the red card. Our brand new game Enrano. And then some about some men fan to them say. We remember some on here can say here for them after Senra. Wamusam about some matches every year. Wamusam at a draw our forefront upper. Now draw and some our forefront, Yawa Brentford, Amani Sheffield, Ebeshia, and what is Southampton, and some money Stoke, Ababo. Now big game one I am Manchester, Tottenham, Wamusam money Babakua, Yafansa Man City, and Ababo, and what you Bobo Cravans AFC 1 Bolton, Wamum and Newcastle, Wabakala Fabiano, was some money Chelsea, and Ebeshia, Man United, Leicester City, Yawa Brighton and Liverpool, and some Abesha, Preston North End, and Babakua, Yafansa Arsenal and Sana, Aston Villa Timon. Womanso and a Crystal Palace Abba, and I said a parent our forefront anymore, and no some Nabasia, I want something yet the MHF for Enra, matches are bounce our near Fansa, a year La Liga and Mobo Fansa Juronia, one more to us so and Roman Raya Cano, woman about Colastro Afe, Yawa boss and Lewandowski, and I make a difference, and my boss at Timono, woman shall bow our Brian Taffy, woman some night to me and to Enra Gamino, Mamma Lamin Jamal and Rawano, and a Man of the Match Award, our Bromo Kobosa gamer, and some Nabas, the Miniano, and some Gamma born and Ria Lamin, a Man of the Match Award, no, Omuria match not by no answer Allen pay. Now, yes, Bassa for so he see, and yes, see, and I remember for so in Papa he see, and I'm no Casay, walk on now, watch me and say, and while I mean Jamal, and some Allen pay. Now, some Tidia Bassa she and see, Omanas Gamino, by no answer by available, no Casay, Coach and Fanny flag na same time maybe can a record be extra nominal casino one of some ababe equal one of the third only manager one of some arini I 7 matches in the first 7 I games all La Liga anymore and some area to us nipa when you can be a coach na your fan Gerardo Tata Martino and I 2013 and our fan say I just Valverde and also Valverde and some baby 2017 and no some ababetes and managers say what was some years 7 matches all La Liga anymore one of some I really adia to us and no man a record was shot 23 goals and one consider 5 and a clean sheet when you mark Makutu a chance or run and some others juma now Jamaica can say Enra, woman could have a fan sir Lewis Miller and was Enra game on point na a class or some committee mission go now some ajaba and say woman chances almost saying about ayo boya mara and so got a chance on ya will be one-on-one aquaday count and maybe a chance and why tough ever draw ya we are saying or sister chance way and some actually say I was some yoma ye chance and ya some aquatena your fan say Miller out on the ball and some other my Tafino and some other two flick Enra our post match coach and say before the game nobody come on Amania your pedophobia our boss or catch and say Sebasa and your Taff Elba Yanim wire pampe and one team papa and match our con Owen Yena your tough a team on what I have Basapa and Tina Oyawe and you know one Senra about some Brian San Mushako and Wache Wamusha Guadu Quarry Drew baby now Chris I say a tough for you and some number so much Moka and Enra after the game coach na your finance flick and some Kasai Yentie manager no.
Before we have the match, a lot of from the club said that's normally always so tight against Getafe. In the first half was like that we had not the speed in our combination, in our passing, and this is maybe why they always were able to close the spaces, but.
Yes, now just and why you have funny close yes spaces no no manager no boy have fun about to say won't quite fast close spaces I'm a branch as and I'm a bass of fun and your baby and Fabuana and Fava City almost in a goalkeeping and San Semino Jamen seconds and coach no say one goalkeeper namano say I Yankee Penna Aquatano and a because at that post in Macadani Yobia 1 hour 25 years on Nini Nama Medru Babina so many kind of experience one more beyond at to say be a boss of Frono and some experience goalkeeper for no dear was the goalkeeper no and some Yankee Penna Namum Jamen can say I change me Friday no I you are because Medically I told him say I next week where not just a goalkeeper your father some full destiny and some other medical I'm a boss at Timino now next week Jamen can say I Friday I you are and I say next week Friday emuba kudi amenya no say Brontiana your father say destiny and some ababa medical I'm a boboku your father Barcelona Arches and they woman some adenaba fam amanioma nyina no and some I fine at your side and also I Barca no kasa Mbappe after saying Roberto Kasa walk on now twemi and san panama catcher say one awram our boss of an answer Madrid no emphasis walk kind of scan enra woman say now twemi and san just automatically onko international break and I'm no casino yasin Mbappe the target I El Clasico no I next month already will be available for the game our draw crano not just worry for Amabuso and watch the Yamian say come and finger and some any team ever started training and not just some training about Coswano Panic come and finger no and some baby and I good news and also Abram Unum Samra Bobakua your father said Manju no and just a team Saudua woman so Akobo Juro Paninano woman game in Barcelona Jaminians and Manchester United will break about say Christian Eriksen Esha go and some Amamani Gona Alpha woman now Emma Sam Lames and some Atekano where a solo effort and Alcatano and some other shots I go now and Romukobus our coach and say opening Massa Kwama Denibimo Mama draw Obiano Samu winning or so woman my opponent to the bar match anymore now Empotema and Mayu Adika take a leader nearby go to 0 Nanka Manchester woman to meet that ball Omolitino Nanka Mayu Etimisha become a killing game Enra now so Omo and a Manchester team about life or say Wusham I game Amukopoya our Crystal Palace was Enra so Mukreti chances pa Namum Ayabobo Kua your fans FC 20 and skate day Omukokeeper na your fan last Unastal no and I just say make saves I mean I'm some Manu and some Antimian Quanimo Manchester coach Eric Ten Hag after the game and some Akasai.
We kept them alive and we're 1-0 up, controlling the game. And then you have to be consistent. You have to keep going in the second half. And we dropped the level and we gave a goal away. We didn't finish it off.
And no, I can't free manager and Anano pay and some I was shown us and some name okay ora. Your father said Road Gullet and Enra. Time about side manager and Arab our Tessa dug out in the mo and I saw far I had turned Ramakonos or go once I go a San Diego. Now Road Gullet say Enra born a Manchester 4 points and say, Manu Bobo at this area and Yan one will be him. Munimia and Yan one will say, what did he ever say? Oh, my used to, as I say, about the can unsa dia onimi no anase bia cha I say Leo Messi atwe aye normal we used to and say what say bia Ronaldo and some ashe go ababa normal we say na Manchester ball omo ball nyina no anya no one bia mesan say amaba used to aye say the man use ball omo ball no now the best one kan nyina say ye musa coach ni say millions of pounds for saying anasamai was spent here ujiska e transfer market uko invest now osema me on Ghana tro our tag out to shark fan mame Ruud Gullit say uye player na be enkoye from our team now manager bound chance was and no ball yabo kakra bia no akọ Ghana tro no kasa che boy no kra no afred no dress aba popo was one masema na players do situation be say wo mo taika plan to me can want to make jam na me koba me ball dia na wo ya wo ba be hani pa dwa nwumra yi che so tiri e ba sa akota no and some abeka no team say ba ma jam na hwe no on oh yeah a chance on the abroso amateurs sani man nyina no ensom anyoma cross and roundsome yet amiator for my situation make an enwa say bibia still at the how and Gareth Southgate omunyina no ensom adaso monetanioma across all United no update banti I don't know
Yepe Gareth Southgate Yepe Southgate
Southgate man you are Southgate Obamunya mutere Martin ha
Yepe Southgate
because man you on a juba be more shepa so obamunya mutere obetimi aye enche
eleven yo mre ni be yes mre bebre ye benya mutere man why ye be twen why enti mozumunya mutere man oh ah
enya wo be cha watwa ntina wo se tinchira o
oh edu ma me kasa
Debi o kra no on support man you na so mo bobo a na ma ko mu win mo so
hwe ebo 9:30 e be be the full time be program beer
Amen fufuri yedaw be pocho balance na waka no fama mo wo fufuru
kwado ye wo fufu tintintimo eye Kennedy fufu machine ani ye de ye adwuma wa
machine pani
awu se fufu ne nei wo ba ye ante me de wo ko Kennedy digital satellite wada wo benya de wo de be wo fufu fi wate Kennedy digital satellite na me ka ho asem no ahani o